analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Your markets at right here on ET Now.
CK, what do you make of the kind of moves that we're seeing? Do you think that we'll probably fall to a level of, say, 4,800 before we witness a bounce back?
No, I don't think it'll be so severe as all that. I think we will probably stop short somewhere closer to 5,000. We are seeing profit taking happen. Yeah, I mean, you have to remember, today is a Friday and this whole week has been a good one. So most people have made money going long. So the tendency would be to actually take some profits home on a Friday and spend a decent weekend. So maybe much of the action that we are seeing in terms of weakness could be actually alluded to the weekend which is looming ahead and the fact that traders are in profit. So I really wouldn't read too much into it. I don't see leader stocks meeting with any significant fresh selling. I mean, even the thing on cement which you just mentioned is probably owing to that rumor which is floating around in the market. So they're all seeing a cut of about 1% or 2%. Which is not really indicative of any aggressive selling as such. So this is, I would treat this as broadly as normal profit taking at the end of a good week, and I think we should be back in action maybe in the following week as well.
So CK, do you then believe that the rally is probably in its last leg because 5150 is a level that we've not been able to breach?
Yeah, the last leg part is something that I would agree with because in any case we had the first target at about 51.70-75 on futures, which has been hit, but then there does seem to be a little more steam left in the rise, which could potentially carry it to about 52.20-30 levels where a larger and a stronger resistance looms. I think the market will also take in the factor that the ONGC issues out there till about September 20th. And maybe it will not really force the pace down, and I don't really see FIs coming in aggressively to sell. It's not overly priced. They have all come down to a level where maybe most people would say they're not cheap, but they are certainly fairly valued. So I don't think you're going to see valuation-based selling also emerge. There is no event. Obama's speech is over. I think the market is in for a bit of a ranging right now because of lack of triggers, and that could probably spill over into the next week as well. So we may not go up very much. We may not go down very much. I think whole asset class, equities, commodities, currencies will all probably churn across the next whole week.
Okay, no exaggerated moves on the upside or the downside, but at the lowest point of the day for the Nifty, we've broken that 5100 level, 5089, and you have to see that the sell-off is absolutely broad-based given that the mid-cap index is now in the red and the small-cap index also very marginally holding up.